Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haga khat artrik unailur arhaza apusan ki Khynnah school jongka Dwar Jingkyrmen but Stonyland Secondary School. Kila pelong ya ka annual concert ha pelau jongka ni school. Haga ni sngi na sakilang na orang ba shnong jongka shnong lai mkra uba sengbor lang nong kendri ubara long kumukong san. Ka director jongka Dwar Jingkyrmen but Stonyland Secondary School ka Zinat Ali kinong hikai but ki kmi kpa jongki Khynnah ki ba Pule hagi ki artli ki shlem a jing hikai. Ka jingtemu jong kaniga concert kalong manla ban iron san lang ye ki tu ki ba Pule ha Dwar Jingkyrmen ki baran jingduna ki Kmen ban ya don benta rengkat ber ki Khynnah school jong ka Stonyland Secondary School ka badai ka inclusive school la yo lat ban saki ya ka jinga shim benta shitram jong ki Khynnah Pule jong ki artli ki school ha kaniga concert.
Touch of the morning sun. There were no buses, no cars. So children would walk. Some even climb hills, holding hands and laughing all the way.
8, 6, 9, 4.
Only strong little feet. The boys wore simple clothes and turbans on their heads. The girls wore dresses and their beautiful Jingkyrmen. They carried only slates and some of them few simple musical instruments. And then they reach a small school, not big, just a small tiny hut made of bamboo. Inside, they sat on the floor. The teacher entered the classroom. Good morning, miss. She was very kind. She taught them to learn ABCD. She not only taught them how to read ABCD, but also to count and to sing little songs in Khasi. Banshana kulai, pan karo babang bating, labam lut kaknai, Khynnah red basmat basting, banshana kulai, pan karo babang bating, labam lut kaknai. They learn without books, bags or pens. And yes, music was a very important class too. The children learned to sing folk songs and play simple instruments and enjoy the rhythm of nature. When the sun began to fall, children stood up, carried their slate and musical instrument, waved goodbye to the teacher. with a mind full of stories and songs.
While talking to a friend of mine at school today, I realized how much I have in every way. He didn't have a lunch to eat, and so I thought how nice it'd be if he sits down and share my lunch with me. 'Cause if you give love, you will receive love, and everyone will have enough. Yes, if you give love, you will receive love, 'cause that's the sharing, loving law of life. Today my mother asked me if I shared my favorite jeans. Give it to my younger brother, 'cause that's what he Let's become a happy family and nice time. God bless you, Captain. God bless Lisa and Frederick. God bless Louisa, Martha and Gretel. And oh, I forgot the other boy. What's his name? Oh, God bless what's his name. God bless the Reverend Mother and Sister Margareta. And now to God about Lisa. Help her to know that I'm a fan, and help her to tell me what she's been up to. Help her to be understanding so may guide her footsteps in the name of Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Amen. I was out taking a walk and Simon locked the doors earlier than usual, and I didn't want to wake everybody up. So when I saw your window open, you're not going to tell Father, are you?
Oh, Lisa, were you out taking a walk by yourself?
Actually, today I didn't need a governess, and maybe I do.
Gretel, you're not afraid of a thunderstorm, are you? You just stay right here with me. Where are the others?
They're asleep, scared.
Oh no, look. Alright, everybody up here in the bed. Really? Well, just this once. Come on. Now, all we have to do is just wait for the boys.
You won't see them.
La don ka way ka brio ka badon arnut ki khun rei. Kata ka rio kan thay ka shong bat la ki khun hai yin trem baka trei na phang ka bayo ban sa ban tiam yo ai bam ai di ai kup ai sem ya ki khun ban eladi. Haba ka kami ka lekin tiap wa jing trei kum ni ka leng kala ong hau ta u khun he. Bawun ri, un sumar ya ipara, un pet ya kayeng kasem, baru pen ai ba mi I haba itngan. En dalam bien kan bau hin menula dem ban long ban lang kayeng kasem ban syam ban tiu kakami kalali pai syalayin bakala syom ban lagi kun kalau ong ya ukun ku kun la syai kasni ngan saya lam ya pi ban ya ihep syaling ha syabaj ngai ban hakata kapor kakami kat no kasngo melung ban berkat ya kajing duk kajing sngo syambab ke jongka hadu bakahap I ya lagi kun hayin hadu bakahap tendrong ya kelingkor ka bakya ya ukun he
बहुत प्यारा आना लगता है। अरे ओ साहबा, उठा तो जरा बंदूक और लगा निशाना। अब देखो छमिया, अगर अपने यार की जिंदगी चाहिए, जरा हमको भी दिखाओ दो चार ठुमके। जो डर गया समझो मर गया। अब ठीक है। अब ठीक है।
What do we do now?
We will show them who we are. Not with anger, not with hate, but with pride, with strength, and the truth. And if they laugh, then let them laugh, because we will be singing. But real, we are not a mistake. We are a miracle.
who are all present here. Well, we know it's not easy, but I'm here to really appreciate the talent, the courage, all the act throughout the day was really wonderful. I give my sincere thanks to the teachers and all the supporting staff for their efforts. It's not easy because you need some extra energy to put things together to make this day a great day and the play and the program a grand success. I wish you all the very best. May the school grow from strength to strength, and I hope you will all go home and remember all that was shown right from the cinema halls, the movies, the songs and all the acts.